Right, welcome back guys, another action-packed day of Dom's Fishing Adventures. I'm just going to be sitting out here anchoring, and I'm actually going to go for some silver trevally. A lot of people don't go for them, it's usually a bit of a bycatch, but my bycatch today will probably be a snapper, but I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, here we go. I'd say it's another snook. Oh, it's turning left and right. Yeah, this is another. Oh yeah. Oh, I know, it came off. It's all right. That one's going off. Yeah, they're not that big. It's actually come off, I think. No, it's still on. What do you got here? What do you got? No, nothing. Okay. There you go. Getting hooks. There you go. Oh, yeah, they're definitely snooks. They're not running; they're destroying the bait. Okay. Whoa! 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 Here we go. Just been with that leader. Yeah, nothing huge. You just let's have a look. Oh, there's fish following it. Oh, it's a sambo. Okay. Skippy. Awesome. Again, it's another target fish. Good tucker. I really enjoy these skippies. Fresh over the grill, barbecued. It's a bit of a smaller specimen. I'll take this one. Lead him. Oh, that one's taken off. That one has got a full gang on it. No, that's gone. Don't have too many rods out here. I'll put the soft plastic out while I'm baiting up with the gangs, because I think I have more success with the gangs. Bigger bait. The fish are going nuts. Do that. And the gang hooks. Might use the bigger outfit. Got a snap shrivel. There you go, nice and easy. Nice and easy. You just got to do what you think is best. Snap, shrivel, or gang hooks. It's a bit out there. A few birds flying around the place. It's going to plonk it down here. Oh, there you go. Soft plastic's off. Yeah, they run, but then after they die down. Ooh, here you go. Oh, he's got some curry, this one. Ooh, got some curry. Go on, what is it? Oh, is it a snapper? Oh, that's a good size skippy. That is a pearl of a skippy. Over in WA, we call them skippy. On our eastern states, they call them silver trevally. We call them silver trevally here too. But, so there you go. That's a good one. So the fish are on the bite, on the cheek. Leader, make sure this one's more line out. There you go. Can't complain with that. Oh, not too bad this one. Not too bad. Probably another baby snapper. Oh, it's running. The drag's too loose. What is he? Oh, he's a big trevally. Oh, it's a big trevally. Lovely fish. Oh Oh yeah, so this soft plastic is really getting smashed. It's probably the last trevally I'll keep. Got heaps of fish, Tucker. Whatever, give this away. So that's terrific. Lead him, ice, mate. What else? Oh, the softy. The softy. That's decent. This is decent. Not a head shakes. Oh, there's a sandbite. Okay. Value for money. Nice. Good on you, mate. Strong fish they are. And they can get big. Remember last year, I caught a couple. It was our best day fishing ever. 2 snappers. No, 3 snappers and 2 mega sambos. And I split the video up because it was just so successful. And those sambos are like that big, you know. Really good fun. And I'm going to be using this thing called a Vex bottom meat. It's pretty lightweighted. You can get different sizes. Put in a pilchard, throw it overboard, bit of burley, see how we go. Alrighty. So there's 3 hooks, assist hooks. We've got a bit of extra bling, so get this plastic squid that actually illuminates during the night time, even during the day. Ideally it's good for drifting, but because I'm anchoring, got a light jig weight on top because the current's quite strong. You can use other things, but I'm just using that. Never know, there could be something big. Good size snapper maybe, who knows. Let him go down here. Got the pearly pot. Every now and then, piece of old fish. Got a soft plastic out here too. Yeah, so that's getting attacked already. Alrighty. So the bottom mate down here got taken. What is he? He's a decent skippy. Whew. Decent trevally on the bottom mate. Lovely fish on the bottom mate. So again, another good sized fish here. Says another decent skippy. Leading out. Yeah, good sized skippies. Whew. Obviously I won't keep him. Beautiful. Alrighty. Fine specimen. Right, so this bottom meat got smashed. Could be a decent fish. Yeah, this is medium size. It's a heavier outfit, this one here though. Oh no, it's a good size pinky again. Might just be under. So I was going for Skippy, silver trevally. Got a nice fine specimen of a snapper. Let's measure him up. Yeah, he's definitely not size. Oh, that one just got hit too. That was a soft plastic. How about that? Whoop. Okay. I'll just take him off first. Bit of safety issues here. Come on, I don't want to release him. So let's do that. He's undersized anyway for WA purposes. He's still stuck there. Come on, mate. Yeah, 37. Beautiful fish. Yeah, he's gone nice and safe. And these snappers, they do really release really well, the small ones. So, I want silver trevally, I'll get snappers. Oh, that's no good. That is not good. Here's more reverse. This, all right, this is taken off. What have we got here? Yeah, all right, another snapper. This is getting a small one, this one here. Awesome. Yeah, beautiful. Got the Skippy as well as a bit of a supplement to the diet. Again, this freezer just freezes the fish. It's not good. Usually I cook these fish whole so you don't waste nothing, but I got my nephew over and he likes fish and chips, especially Zeal Dom's fish and chips, the fresh one. So I'll quickly cook this one up here too. Yeah, you can see it's semi-frozen. I'll thaw it out before I cook it up. What am I up to here? Oh, that's alright. No problem, I'll get rid of the bones. In fact, I'll cut it all the way down the bloodline. Like, almost like fish fingers, so get rid of that. That's a nice piece that one there, and I'll chop that in the middle. Okay. There you go, beautiful fish fingers. Right, getting ready for the fish and chips. Just a light batter. Self-raising flour, bit of vintage, nice and easy, probably a bit too thin. Now what are you gonna do? Let's get ready for fish and chips. Look at this Skippy fingers they called. Put them right in the oil.
Could I have a one? Could I have one?
Yeah, sure, you can help. Coming up pretty good.
Yep.
Crispy.
Remember what the last time we made Skippy and I tasted it?
Yeah, you liked it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Awesome.
I remember holding it.
Well, I've got a subscriber and the man says his daughters love silver trevally.
Oh.
If you're watching, thank you. I think they're all over from Sydney or New South Wales somewhere. Thanks for watching. Stand back.
Oh no.
Wow, look at that goodness.
Oh.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
What do you think? Should we add some parsley or
Nah.
or add it or just leave it like that?
Just leave it like that.
Let's go.
Yeah, no, when you put it in, you got to do it very gently because it might stick to the bottom. And this will cook pretty quick, so I'll just turn it down a bit.
Hot?
Yeah, not extremely hot. Whoa, look at that. Tastes good?
Mmm.
Yeah, finish it off.
Okay.
Just gotta wait for the chips. Let me try one. Actually, I won't deny your food. I'll grab this one here. Oh, yeah. Good.
I
Good,
made
good fish taco.
teamwork.
Whoa.
Oh, it's looking good.
Looking good?
Uh-huh. Oh my god. That is really good.
Oh, yeah. Give it a good stir so it doesn't
Now
touch to the
that's
bottom.
it. Fish is gone.
Thank you. And the chips. How about that? Fish and chips. The kid's gonna love it.
Fish, tucker, fish,
That.
tucker, fish, tucker,
Oh.
man.
Well then.
Fish,
Bon
tucker,
appetit.
fish,
Bon appetit.
tucker,
Awesome.
fish, tucker, man.
Thank you.